In this video, I'll show you how to install the ink cartridges in the Epson WF-2910 printer. If your black ink cartridge is new and still in the plastic, then you need to give it a few shakes before you install it. So come to either the right or the left side of your printer and you'll see that you have this handle. Simply lift it up and you'll see on the left hand side that it gets held up by this blue latch, and this is where our ink trays are. Let me just move it closer. If the printer is on, then the ink trays should be presented to you. However, sometimes the ink trays stay stuck to the right, which makes it impossible to change the ink. So if that happens, come to the home screen and press on the right arrow until you see the confirm ink level. Press OK, and then press the down arrow, and then press OK to replace now. And then we'll press OK again, and then press on this button with the exclamation mark. That will get the ink trays to come into the center of the printer like this so that you can change them. So the first thing we're going to do is take the black ink. You can see what the ink is by just looking here, BK. And then all we're going to do is place the cartridge flat where the BK sign is, then press it down and then give it one final push until you hear a click, and that's how you know that it is installed correctly. So next we'll do the yellow, and this is the click. That's where you want to make sure it is pushed in, and then you'll hear that click. Next up is the magenta. It's important that you put them in the right slots, so you'll see that they are labeled. And then it goes in here. And finally, we'll do the cyan and press it in. So once you've got the cartridges in, to close the lid of the printer, simply lift it up once to release the blue latch, let it fall down, and then lift it up again to fully close the printer. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.